Hi, I'm Will Greenwald for PCMag.com, and we are in LG's new North American headquarters in New Jersey, specifically in their Exploratorium showroom of new technology. And behind me is the LG Signature OLED R TV. It is the first commercial rollable OLED, and, well, you just saw. The screen curls up into a box and unrolls into a 65-inch TV. It actually is shipping now. They announced it 2 years ago and it is finally in production and available to buy, and the price tag is $100,000. It's a rollable TV, and that is pretty new for basically anything. Now, as an OLED, especially a rollable OLED, this is an incredibly thin TV. Like, we're looking at less than 1/5 of an inch thick, maybe if that. Like, it is thinner than cardboard. Internally, the panel and technology inside is very similar to the OLED C1 that we reviewed, which is a much less expensive TV, around, $1,800 to $4,000 in that range, depending on the size. Of course, it's a flat TV that doesn't fold up, it doesn't roll. That's what you're paying for. It should have fantastic color. It definitely looks very good from here. It should have infinite contrast, basically, because it can create perfect black levels. That is one of the main appeals of an OLED panel. I don't know how many times I can say it rolls up, but it rolls up, and that's really the coolest thing about it. It does have all the gaming features of the LG C1 as well, which is really appealing. So if you manage to find a PS5 for less than $100,000 and can spend that much on a TV, they might work together. This is built to basically be a TV that you will have for a very long time in your very large, expensive house. According to LG, the actual rolling mechanism, the drive system, should be able to last 100,000 times. So basically it can roll up and down a dozen times a day for 20 years. Now, this isn't quite a bespoke television, though it is manufactured apparently by hand by engineers. Once all the components are put together, they actually assemble this aluminum body and all the different parts together. And that can take a bit of time, so if you order it now, you're not going to get it tomorrow. It's not on Amazon Prime. And the panel itself apparently takes 2 months to manufacture, from just having the TFT surface to the module actually going out. So yeah, this isn't something you can go to a store and get. This is a TV that requires white gloves.